Hi, this is True Reality Project and me, Tatiana. Today I want to introduce you our participant, Mirto Krida.
My name is Mirto. I am Cypriot. I live in Nicosia. I am married and I have got two children, two boys, 13 and 16 years old. I like to take pictures. Actually, I used to come here to take photos in this park. I like this. I like to go with coffee with my friends, or I like cooking or making big birthday cakes, special birthday cakes. Actually, I don't have a lot of free time. When I have the children and all the problems, I run and help them for lessons and things like that. I don't like wear dresses because I don't feel very nice with dresses. I think I have a lot of weight. If I lose it, it will be a bit bad for me to wear a dress again. I wish I can wear a smaller size. I wanted to have a new start of my life since a long time now. But it's difficult to make a lot of things by your own. So I said that it's more easy to you have somebody help you. Actually, one day I see in Facebook that they was looking for a name for a project. And I sent some names. I choose 3 or 4. And I'm very proud that the name True Reality is the name I proposed. My family is happy about this because all this time I don't have a lot of time for me, and I spend a lot of time for the other people. So they said that it's a good time for you to make something for you. It's not a problem for them. They are happy. And my friend said that you have to be like before you get married, and before all the children. After when Tatiana told me that I will be one of them, from the one side I was very happy because it was a very good opportunity for me, a very big present. But I had the problem at this time with my mom. She didn't feel very well, she had a problem. And I was thinking maybe I don't find the time to help her. After I speak with my mom and I tell her that, they ask me if I want to be one of them, and she tell me, no, you have to do it because it's good for you, it's an opportunity for you. You have to lose weight, you have to change your life, you have to feel nice with your life. Because if you don't do it, you have problem like me. Okay, after I lost my mom, and now I think that I have to do it for her. I want to change. I want a new start of my life. I decide to start and I will stay. If I don't do this, I will never do it.
Stay tuned and follow us on Facebook. See you!